the story behind my dedication of my career to hair restoration surgery is interesting. Of course, I trained in ear, nose, and throat surgery and then completed a fellowship in facial plastic and reconstructive surgery at the University of Michigan. And I felt, that I needed to get some exposure to hair restoration surgery because I didn't really get much of that at the University of Michigan. So I spent 2 weeks in the summer of 2003 with Dr. Marty Tessler in Detroit. And that was transformational. I saw some of the most happy patients I've ever seen in my career to that point. We saw, ladies crying, and because we gave them the gift of their hair back, and it was fairly moving. And so I went to the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery meeting in the fall of 2003 in New York City, and I saw that I was the only facial plastic surgeon on planet Earth at that meeting. You don't need a board certificate in anything in this country to offer hair restoration surgery. So I felt I was qualified. And there was a job offer with one of the major groups, with one of the old timers, one of the godfathers of the specialty, Dr. Rasp and Dr. Bernstein. And that was in Beverly Hills, California. And so I took a chance on the specialty. I moved to California and just fell deeply in love. I've never seen happier patients. I love the work. Each individual patient is it's like I get to create a work of art, really, especially in making the recipient sites. It's like doing a stipple art drawing, and it's just so satisfying. And then to see patients back with their new hair, there's nothing better. I think I have one of the most fulfilling jobs as a physician that exists.